So today I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette. It looks like this. My mother-in-law bought this for me, so yeah, I really like it. It is one that I did want, and then, you know me, procrastinated so long I ended up not getting it. So thanks for my mother-in-law, I now own it. So if you want to see how I did this eye look, then let me stop waffling and let's get on with the video. is my eye look using the Chocolate Rose Gold palette. I really enjoy this palette. I know it has a lot of pinks in here, but I really wanted to go with these gold and greens that are in here. I love gold and green on my eyes. I think it really brings out my eye colour. So yeah, I really do enjoy them. This gold one here is a little bit flaky, but if you have a good base, a good sticky base, which the Milk eyeshadow stick, which the Milk Jumbo eye pencil from NYX is a bloody good one, then the shadow really sticks nicely and doesn't budge, doesn't move. So that was really nice to play with. So yeah, and I went with like a cool crease colour as well, because I felt like the warmer shades were just, they suit more to the pinks in here rather than that green and that gold. So yeah, oh, dropped it. And then I just brightened up my inner corners with a little bit of Glam Crystals in the shade Funk, just to add a little bit of glitter because, well, it is nearly Christmas and glitter is a must for Christmas. Charmed Wench will be happy. So yeah, so that was my Monday makeover. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be another one coming later on this month because, as I said, I will be doing a Monday makeover every Monday throughout December. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the